让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Curing is one of the oldest methods of preserving food. Salt, sugar, vinegar, and other herbs and spices are added to food items to not only make them last longer, but to also enhance their flavor. The Hakka people use large jars to cure their food, and every village has their own unique take on it. Originally just a way to preserve food for lean times, these cured items have become an integral part of Hakka cuisine.There are even promotional events held in Hakka villages and across the country to promote their traditional cooking, with cured and preserved foods always playing a prominent role.
Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿炳哥 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。Leo， 最近我比较喜欢烹饪但是有点想要学怎么去腌制东西啊。
好
你应该可以教我。
当然可以啊，客家人最厉害的啊。
是啊，怎么腌法才对？
小时候我奶奶都有教我了哈。那个腌制其实有分很多种，但是有些规则一定要遵守啦。就是东西一定要先洗干净，然后呢，一个是要阴干，一个呢是要把它晒干脱水。那如果像我们在都市里头呢，可能用阴干的方式，因为你没有地方晒嘛。阴干之后呢，然后你有分短期的跟长期的，短期可能就2-3天，你用那个糖啊，还有那个醋啊，去浸泡它。浸泡过之后呢，还保有它的脆度，但是又有那个酸酸甜甜、酸酸甜甜的味道，
比较像开胃菜。
没错，没错。好，这是一种。那另外一种呢，就腌制超过1个礼拜以上保存时间也会比较久一点。像刚我们讲说要经过晒太阳，日晒晒了太阳之后呢，又太阳的很温暖的味道在里头，
对，
所以这时候拿去腌制就像那个咸菜喊菜是一样的，它腌的时间比较长，保存期限就更长了。
哇，你看这么多方式，问你就对了
没错，
这个是客家人的这个腌制的智慧应该多学习一下。
对啊，而且苗栗的公馆每年都有客家福菜节像那个什么桃园有千人采客家咸菜的那个活动，
对，
你就可以现场去那边体会一下、体验一下，然后就可以学起来了。
好，去观摩一下，对不对？
对。
那我们来教几个单字腌制有时候是为了要保存更久一点 ，right? How to say preserve when you marinate something? Preserve.
保存
，OK， 保存。然后呢，腌制出来的东西可能咸，可能酸。来教这2个口味好了。
好，
咸怎么说？
鹹
鹹就鹹吹的鹹。
对，鹹吹。
That is salty. 那酸 sour 呢？
酸。我刚刚讲酸酸甜甜，就是酸酸甜甜。
酸酸甜甜 That's sour and sweet. Got it. There you go. And that does it for today's talk about Hakka on ICRT.
什么睇㗎？
俺自say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.